Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a NETGEAR Nighthawk. This is an M2 MR2100 Wi-Fi router modem, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory settings on it. You might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If this modem will not connect to the internet, or it won't connect to your Wi-Fi network, I mean, not to your Wi-Fi network, but to your mobile network, or if the other devices won't connect to it, if it seems to be frozen or not responding, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You'll just need to set it up again as a new device, which brings me to the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to just like have this as new as it came out of the box, so you can set it up on a new network or whatever, we can go ahead and do that. It's quite simple. From this home screen, we're just going to go ahead and hit the settings menu, and from the settings menu, we're going to hit more. And then from more, it'll show us factory reset, which we can then click on factory reset. It'll just ask us to confirm by hitting OK, which we'll do. And then the modem will restart to its factory default settings.